Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin impacts not launching easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just right click here, task manager, go to maybe you find it like that. If you find it like that, click more details, and now just click memory to see the applications that takes your memory, like Google Chrome. And if you want to end it, right click on it and click end task. And after that, just go to settings, go to privacy, scroll down. Here we'll find background apps. Now just turn it off, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.